Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7. We will present about language learning strategy. According to Oxford, there are two ways to use second language learning strategies. First is the direct learning strategy, and second is the indirect learning strategy. First, direct language learning strategy. Direct language learning strategy is a method that used by students in the acquisition, storage, experimentation, and utilization of the information obtained. Language learning strategy directly divided into three types, namely first, memory strategy, second, cognitive strategies, and third, compensation strategies. Memory strategy. Memory strategy is a strategy used to remember and receive new information. There are two conditions for understanding how individuals learn and how they apply certain learning strategy, namely the importance of prior knowledge of or new information and the way the brain processes the initial knowledge or new information. Cognitive psychologists have developed what they call the information processing view, processing about learning. These theorists rely entirely on computers as an analogy to explain how the brain and its memory system work. From this point of view, information enters the brain through the senses, analogous to entering data through a computer keyboard and is temporarily stored in a workplace called long-term memory. Short-term memory or storage space of a computer. From short-term memory, the data is then sent to long-term memory or long-term memory computer hard disk and stored until it is recalled for later use. The next press the next will be present by my partner.
Oxford 1990 states that memory strategies include first, mental creation relationship, second, applying image and sound, third, reviewing properly and carrying out activities or action. Memory strategies create relationship. Mental creation can be done by A, grouping, B, relation or expansion, and C, placing the new word in context. The strategy of applying image and sound through A, the use of image, B, semantic mapping, C, using keywords, and D, voting in memory. Memory strategies carry out activities or action by A using response or physical sensation, B using mechanical techniques. From the description above, it is conclude the various working procedures in memory strategies are closely related to second language learning strategies for each language as a function of communication. Next.
Memory strategies reflect very simple principles, such as ordering, making connection, and repeating. All of these principles involve meaning and language learning goals. Structures and relationship work must be meaningful for learners, and the media has a function significant. 1.2 Cognitive strategy. Cognitive strategies are strategies for understanding language and producing language. Piaget theory in 1896 regarding cognitive human understanding of an object takes place in stage, which includes the stage of manipulation and active interaction stage. Once humans can manipulate objects, the ability of active humans interaction serves to stabilize and produce new knowledge. Enough from us. If there any mistake, please forgive us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.